Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a simple song by Lacrae featuring Tori. The title of the song is I'll Find You, and we're going to be playing it in the key of G sharp, A flat. Alright, now each time you like my video and then you subscribe, you help my channel grow, and I'm able to do much more than I'm doing now to reach a wider audience. I'll be very glad if you can click the like button, and don't forget to comment below in the comment section and let me know what you think about my tutorials. So let's get on with it. It's a simple song. The progression is on a scale of this is the scale for G sharp. You have chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, and then I like playing the 5 as chord 7 over the bass like this, and then chord 1 again. Alright, so we'll be using the 4, we use the 5, and then 6, and then the 3. So 3, chord 3, sorry, this one rather, my 6, okay, and then 4, 5, 6. Alright, so this is how the song goes. Rap goes on, you don't play the 3, you play only the 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, and when Tori comes in, you play So basically that's a song. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share.